I have officially earned $100 online, and it took me a little over a week, I'd say about 10 days to achieve that. And as you can see here, this is my earnings. This is from a website called rev.com. It is a transcription website, and as you can see here, this is my total that I've earned so far. I started on the 9th of September, and from the 9th to the 17th, it took me that long to earn $100. And actually, in that period of time, from the 9th to the 17th, three of those days I didn't work on this website. 2 of those days I had problem with my internet. It was buffering really badly, so I couldn't transcribe any files. And one of those days I didn't really feel like working, so I didn't transcribe any files. So really I earned a little over $100 in just about a week's time. So that's really not bad at all, especially considering the fact that I have never earned a single cent online. This is the first time in my life that I've earned this amount, and so I thought I'd make a video just discussing and documenting this process. When you come to this website, all you have to do is listen to the audio files or the video files, and you type out exactly what the person is saying. Sometimes you'll have one person speaking, sometimes there's 2 or more, and most of the time it's really easy. Sometimes you'll have problems with sometimes people are speaking in accents, or sometimes you can't make out the words that are saying, but this is a really cool way to earn money, and I'm just really thankful and grateful that I've found this opportunity, and I thought I'd spread the word about this website.